Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see lesson number 1.3, The Cop and the Anthem, written by William Sidney Porter. The nickname of William Sidney Porter is O. Henry. In this story, there is one main character named Soupy. Soupy was a frustrated young man, a person with a criminal background. He was unemployed and very poor. He makes different plans to enter the prison or jail because he has no home, homeless, no shelter. Soupy wanted to protect himself from severe winter. Winter is very cold in foreign country. Soupy feels that there is a freedom from miseries and worries in prison. Let's see the page number 28. This story is written in 1904 by O. Henry. Soupy left his bench and started walking towards Medicine Square. Medicine Square is the area. Broadway are the roads of asphalt. Asphalt means tar road, Damrache road. Huge roads and stop walking in front of luxurious cafe. Soupy is the main protagonist, main character in this story. He spent his nights on a bench in the garden. Winter is going to start. He is sitting on the bench of Madison Square in New York. Winter means heavy frost, ice, painful cold, feeling restless. People in New York started planning the journey towards Winter Island. So Soupy also wanted to go to the Black Whale Island. Black Whale Island, that is the prison, local jail. And that local jail is towards the Medicine Park. And that was the home. How and where to spend winter season, that was the question before Soupy. And he wanted to plan for that. So jail, prison was the best option for him. So he wanted to commit the crime so that he can go to the jail easily by the police. And in the jail it is very good bed, food, shelter for round about 3 months. So he came towards the luxurious hotel. Luxurious hotel means 2-3 star hotel for superior people, for rich people. Soupy, he wears the coat, he shave properly, he wear the bow also. Bow was given to him by a missionary lady on Thanksgiving Day. Thanksgiving Day, it is the fourth Thursday of November. We celebrate Thanksgiving Day on that day. And that bow was gifted by a missionary lady. He would like to enter in the hotel and decided to order a roasted mallard duck. Roasted mallard duck, that is a type of duck. Bottle of wine, cheese, cup of coffee, cigar, and it was his plan to order all these things. But before entering the hotel, head waiter saw the trouser and boots of Soupy. That head waiter had the doubt. Tattered trouser, decadent shoes, head waiter convey message to Soupy, and Soupy understand the body language of that head waiter, and he did not enter in the hotel. Once again, the dream of Soupy was broken. He thought to enjoy food and drink the wine, then he could tell hotel owner, I have no money. and hotel owner will call police, but everything in vain, and the first attempt of the Sufi to go to the jail was fail. So he turned off Broadway of luxurious hotel. Then next he went towards the next opportunity, Limbo. Limbo, Black Whale Island, that is the jail. Limbo was his coveted island. He wanted to go to jail. Sufi feels that limbo, that jail, that prison is the combination of hell and heaven, boundary line of hell and heaven. Here, writer O. Henry creates the picture of all the roads in front of readers, like Broadway, Medicine Park, Medicine Square, asphalt, roads of tar, roads. At a corner of 6th Avenue, there was a shop decorated with electrical lights, and all the customers are attracted towards the 6th Avenue. Sophie reached the corner and picked up a stone and thrown towards the glass of shop. The walls of that shop was made up of glass, and that glass was broken. Shop was the attraction of people. People gathered over there, and in front of crowd there was a cop. Cop in American English we call it police. Cop asked, "Where is the man?" Sufi was standing there waiting that police will arrest him. Sufi was gazing to brass button of cop's coat and laughing. Uniform of police which have brass button, looking at cop. "Don't you think that I might have done it?" But cop did not believe on him. He had done it. And second attempt of Supi also failed here. He became nervous, sad, unhappy because he wanted to go to his Black Whale Island jail, local prison, where he would pass 3 months of winter safely. Cop drawn club or stick ran towards another man. Here, second attempt of Sufi also failed. On the opposite side of the street was a restaurant, and there was a simple restaurant at the other side of a road where hungry people came and eat food. Who has modest wallet means less money, low economic budget. It provide a lot of food to the needy and low economic budget people. Thick crockery means a lot of plates are there. Atmosphere also thick means many people came and eat the food. Soup is thin means that hotel food is not so rich. In that hotel he ate beef stick. He told the waiter, "I have minutest coin, means less coin, no money. I am stranger. I cannot borrow money from anybody. Get busy. Call the cop. Call the police." Waiters came there and they catch him, gave tight slap and thrown away out of the hotel on the callous pavement. Callous pavement, footpath. Waiters throw the Supi on a callous pavement, and that callous pavement means they thrown him on a footpath. Supi thought that island seems far away. It is impossible. Police was standing there but only laugh on him. Supi think that magic is there which does not allow police to arrest me, because to pass the winter season on the bench of Madison Square is not easy. That was tension for him, and his attempt was fail, and this was his third attempt. First attempt, that was the luxurious hotel. Second or attempt, 6th Avenue. And third attempt, this restaurant. Soupy came near the Broadway. There was glittering theatre. Actually, there were 40 theatres near Broadway, and each theatre has 500 seats capacity. Sufi came there. There were police near the glittering theatre. He behaved very strangely. He opened button of his coat. He behaved disorderly, shouting like drunkard, dancing like mad person, and disturbed the whole area. But that police did not took the action. Yale University, the lad, student, that police avoid him because it was the celebration that they won the football match. So here also Sufi's attempt to become arrested was fail. He was disconsolate, sad. He thought it is impossible to go to Arcadia or Black Whale Island, local prison jail. There was chilling wind. He closed the buttons of his coat. Then he went to cigar shop. He lit up cigar and picked up the umbrella of that shopkeeper. Started walking out of the shop. Shopkeeper asked him, "It is my umbrella." Then Sophie told him, "Okay, it is your umbrella. Then call the police. See, there is a policeman." Sufi challenges him. But shopkeeper reversed his order and let him go. Shopkeeper did not call the police because that shopkeeper also stolen that umbrella from somewhere else, and that's why he did not call the cop. And once again the Sufi's attempt to become arrested by police was fail. Sufi went to Glittering Road. Glittering Road, that is the road of rich people and less crowd. Walking ahead, he stopped near the church. He liked that atmosphere of church. Sufi became changed. There was transformation in Sufi. Anthem, mouth organ, he liked that. Prayer, that Christian Jew person was practicing mouth organ for prayer. He remembered his house, his mother, his friends. He changed himself. He wanted to do hard work now because the effect of church and the effect of music was on the Sufi. He decided to go away from this hopeless life. He wanted to start a new life. He felt ashamed on his criminal life. He wanted to go to down road and he will do the job of driver over there. Suddenly, policeman came there, asked him, "What are you doing here?" He said nothing. But police arrested him as a suspected person, take him to court, and judge gave the punishment of 3 months. It was the unexpected end of this story. Once again, this Sufi came to the jail, that Black Island. Again, he was in the Black Whale Island, local jail, and that was the unexpected end of this story. Sufi was in the jail once again, and he will pass 3 months of winter season in that jail. So, boys and girls, read this story once again from the book, try to understand the lesson, and in the next video I will show the exercise activities to you. Thank you very much.